Harvesting of the Jerusalem artichoke, or correctly to call gyro sale. Sale means soul, sun, or year in Persian, and that word is actually Italian. Gyro means also turning. It's a kind of sunflower, turns with the sun. So I'm harvesting it because I need the space for other crop. I want to plant blueberries here, and this is from 2 plants. It's about 1.5 kilos, and I have a few more there that I will transfer all of this probably to that corner that you see in the picture, and that will be the tonight's dinner. Just harvested carrots, turnip, and some Jerusalem artichoke. Dug up to go into the soup. Jerusalem artichoke, just out of the oven. This is some of it. I just used the rest of it in the soup, and the rest of it is yet in the allotment. Roasted Jerusalem artichoke. Unfortunately, I ran out of space, so I have to turn it off the previous video and just delete some of the files and make more space. I added a little bit of the olive oil, and now tasting. Oh. If you want to know the taste of this, something between eating an aubergine, roasted aubergine, and a potato. That's really yummy. I wonder why we don't see these things in the shops. Well, probably there is, I don't see. Very posh. Yummy.